today we will make this drawing. This is the practice drawing for the beginners. So let's start today's drawing. We will start a new file, select the part, click OK. So new file open here. We will go to sketch, select the sketch, and we'll select the top plane. Here we will select the circle command, click here, and we'll generate a circle. We will click smart dimensions, and we'll give this sketch the dimensions of 80 millimeter. Click enter. We will change the units to millimeters and grams. Sketch is exit. We'll click here and edit sketch. So we can see here it's 80 mm in diameter. We will come to features, extrude boss space, and we will select 5 mm. I click enter, and this is generated. We'll click the front face and click sketch. Now we will select circle command again, and we will draw a circle here. We'll come to smart dimensions, and we'll give this circle dimension of 10 millimeter. Click enter. Now we'll select the center point of the circle and the origin point of the drawing, and we'll give dimension of 28 millimeter. Now the sketch is still underdefined. We will click OK. Select this point, hold the control button, and select other point and make it vertical. Now our sketch is completely defined, fully defined. Then come to features, and we'll extrude cut command to make a hole. We will click OK as its thickness is automatically 5 mm. We'll hit OK. So a hole is generated. Now we will click on linear pattern to circular pattern, and we will select this face. So here we will check the number of holes, and we will select the equal spacing. So we will want 4 holes, so it's OK. We will click OK, and this is generated. Again select the front face and sketch. Here we will choose the straight slot. We'll use the center point. We'll draw a random line. Click here and hit OK. Choose smart dimensions and make this 30 mm. Sorry, it's small, so we'll make it 60 mm. We'll give the distance from here to here. This will be 30 mm. So sketch is fully defined. When I hit OK, now we will select features and again extruded cut. So its thickness is automatically 5 mm. Click OK. Now as you can see, our part is generated. Now we will select, right click on the part, here appearance, and we'll click on the part 2. Now a material window opened. We can choose color from here or from here. So let's assign a metal. Click steel, polished steel, and click OK. So our part is generated. So if you like the video, hit the like button and also subscribe my channel.